Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for rental industry. So here let's assume that I have a rental agency and to promote the same I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details received in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for rental industry. So here let's assume that I have a rental agency and to promote that I'm using Facebook lead ads. So my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. Now to do this, I need to establish a connection between these applications. For that, I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for rental industry. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my rental agency with the help of Facebook lead ads, so Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically this workflow is going to run. And as I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet, so here in this action window, I'm going to search for Google Sheets as my action application. Here it is. And now the action event will be to add new row. So here I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So the authorization is successful. Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my rental agency and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here this is the page that I've created by the name of apartment rental agency. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page as apartment rental agency. Here it is. So once the page is selected, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form. So I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of apartment rental agency new leads form. And this is how the form looks like. So I want to go ahead with this form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form from this drop down as apartment rental agency new leads form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in this webhook response. So now to do a test submission, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So here I will go to the page. Now in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And under my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I'm going to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this drop down for page, I'm going to select my page as apartment rental agency. So I'm searching for my page. Here is my page. After selecting my page from this form drop down, I'm going to select my just apartment rental agency new leads form, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this is how the form looks like, and here I've added the details like full name, email and the phone number. So here I'm going to click on next, and now I'm going to click on submit. So here it says thanks, you're all set. Now I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead that I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see I've received the details. Here is the full name, email, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead that I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever our new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now moving further, I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So now to do that, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm going to simply sign in with Google. Here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And the authorization is successful. Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. Here is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New, and it consists only of one sheet and of 3 columns. One is for the lead email, second is for the lead name, and the third one is for phone number. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And now the selected sheet will be sheet 1. So now moving to these details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to map the details from the response that I've received. Basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to map the lead email first. Then I'm going to map the lead name from the response received. And now I'm going to map the phone number. So as I've mapped all of these details, this method of mapping is important, so that every time you will receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here, I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see I've received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I will take you to the Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the lead which I've just created is added successfully in this Google Sheet in a new row. So that means this integration and automation is a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.